Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a DIY for Thanksgiving. I plan to draw a turkey, a simple turkey for kids. There is the material, so you will need a white sheet paper, can be color. You will need 3 markers. I have orange, red, and yellow, and I have a black marker for the outline. Let's go. So first of all, you will need to grab your beautiful black marker and you will have to draw the shape of the turkey. Sorry, my bad, I am alone, so I have to hold the camera alone. So for the beak, you will do kind of shape of triangle with a little curve. You will do this line and this line. You will do some kind of triangle shape in there. So now you have the beak. You will draw a big circle for the head, and now you will need to do the neck. For the neck, don't be perfect, it's not a problem. For the body, you will draw some shape of a circle with a curved line, like this. For the paw, we just need to draw a line like sticks. You will draw 2 like this, and you will do 3 little line like this. This one is a bit weird. And for the tail, the big tail with feathers, you will just draw some kind of hill, a loop, as you wish. And well, you can draw more than that, but I only will draw 4. For the neck, I will draw 2 loops because turkey have some kind of decoration in their neck. They're red one, you understand me. You will of course do the little eyes because they are eyes. It's logical, like almost of those animals. And for finish, you will do the hair, if I can say something like this, and you will do 3 little hair. So for your turkey, it's finished. Oh yeah, no, it's not finished. I forgot. Like this, because it's a bird. It's logic. So now I will color it. For the beginning, I will begin by the red. So now you have all of you a red color logic, and now I will pass to the yellow. And now for the last step, you will color the loop and this loop in orange. And now your little turkey is ready. So this DIY is for kids that want to do something for Thanksgiving, and if you don't know how to do, this is a little tutorial for you. Hope you enjoy and subscribe under the video. Bye!